Python installation.
Things you need to do. You need to install Python setup in your Windows or Mac. To install it, you can search in YouTube. You will get many videos. Next. What happens when you run a Python program? Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when you run your Python code? Let's break it down step by step, short and simple. 1. Writing the code. You write Python code using simple text. It follows Python's rules called syntax. But computers don't understand Python directly, only zeros and ones, machine language. 2. Python interpreter, the translator. Python uses an interpreter. It reads your code line by line and tells the computer what to do. This makes Python an interpreted language. 3. Bytecode, a quick conversion. Before running, Python turns your code into bytecode. Bytecode is a simplified version, still not machine code, but closer. This step makes execution faster and more efficient. 4. Python Virtual Machine, PVM. Bytecode is sent to the Python virtual machine. The PVM reads bytecode, talks to the computer hardware, CPU, memory, makes your program actually work. Final result. You see your output on the screen, like magic, but it's all Python doing its job step by step. 5. What happens behind the scenes, step by step? Let's summarize what we've learned into a simple process. You write the code, your .py file. Python compiles it into bytecode. The Python interpreter reads the bytecode. The PVM runs it and gives the result on the screen. You don't usually see these steps happening. Python handles them for you in the background. Now let us start important topic.
Indentation.
Unlike many other programming languages that use braces or keywords to define code blocks, Python uses indentation. This means that blocks of code are defined by their level of indentation, usually 4 spaces. Comments. Comments are used to explain code and are ignored by the Python interpreter. They start with a POW symbol variables and data types. Python does not require explicit declaration of variables. A variable is created the moment you assign a value to it. Multiple assignments. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables. Printing output. The print function is used to display output in Python. You can print strings, variables, or even expression. Taking input. The input function is used to take user input from the console. The input is always received as a string. Code blocks. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. This applies to functions, loops, conditionals, etc. The print function in Python. The print function in Python is used to display output to the console. It is one of the most commonly used functions for debugging, logging, and presenting information to the user.
The input function in Python is used to take user input from the console. It allows you to capture information entered by the user during the execution of the program. Wait! After watching this, you need to do exercises, assessments and quiz on what you have learned in this video. Don't worry, you will get all those in next video. Until that, please practice examples which are there in this video.